Welcome. Meet Alex. Alex needs to find a quiet workspace for an upcoming project. He clicks on the desk reservations list. He clicks on New. The booking form open. He clicks on the location. He selects the start date and the start time is automatically set. All the available desks and meeting rooms for the given location for the given date and time are showing up. Alex needs a desk which is near a window, so he clicks on near a window keyword and only one desk matches the criteria. He selects a desk, the desk image shows in the booking form, and he books the desk for New York. The desk booking with all the details is added to the desk reservations list. He can edit it, he can cancel it, and he will receive after a while a confirmation email. The confirmation email drops into his mailbox. He can accept, he can deny. All the details of the desk, the location, the date and time are summarized in the email body. Alex accepts the meeting, goes to his desk personal Outlook calendar, and the desk booking has been confirmed.